Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make your YouTube thumbnails stand out and grab attention, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into an amazing tool called Pikzels, which makes generating thumbnails a breeze. Let's get started. Pikzels is a powerful user-friendly platform that lets you create eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos in just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator or a brand looking to boost your visual game, Pikzels is the go-to tool. First things first, you'll need to sign up or log in to your Pikzels account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. Let's go ahead and create our thumbnail. Click on the Create Thumbnail button to get started. You can either choose from templates or start fresh and customize your design. Pikzels has a wide variety of professionally designed templates. Let's pick one that fits our video theme. As you can see, there are templates for gaming, tutorials, vlogs, and more. Once you've selected a template,
you can easily customize the text, colors, and images to match your video's content. Or if you're feeling creative, you can start with a blank canvas and design your thumbnail from scratch.
Here's where the magic happens. Pikzels gives you a ton of tools to tweak your thumbnail. You can add text, change fonts, play with text shadows, add stickers, and even adjust the background. It's really customizable. You can upload your own images, drag them right into the canvas, and resize them as needed. Plus, Pikzels has an awesome library of stock images and icons you can use. Perfect if you're looking for something specific. Once you're happy with your thumbnail design, it's time to export. Pikzels makes it super easy. Just hit the download button and you're all set. You can even choose the resolution and make sure it's optimized for YouTube. Now you've got a high-quality, click-worthy thumbnail ready to upload with your YouTube video. And that's it! Creating stunning thumbnails has never been easier with Pikzels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this tool gives you everything you need to make thumbnails that grab attention and drive clicks. So, what are you waiting for? Give Pikzels a try and let me know how it works for you. The link is given below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.